Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So for today, we actually bought ourselves 2 more flooded campers. This year's flooded season is definitely coming to an end. A lot of stuff is being bought and sold, so the inventory is going down, but hey, we're still able to find 2 more. They look kind of rough in the pictures. We weren't able to check them out in person, so we kind of pulled the trigger, went for a great deal. Go pick those up. But before we do that, I just want to talk about campers. Basically, we're buying a lot of campers with destruction titles, but hey, a lot of people are loving them because it's fulfilling a need that a lot of people didn't even know was there. Honestly, it's nice to have a camper that you could park. Some of the campers that we sold, people, their house burned down or they have a lake house and it's perfect. It's within a budget. They get a great deal. We're happy. Everybody's happy. Honestly, I'm actually staying in a camper right now too. I bought mine a year ago, I think. Actually, I have a video about that. We're building a house, so put the camper on the land while we're building. You got yourself a house. And the first thing I upgraded my camper was the mattress. Because after a long day, all you want to do is just go home, go back to your camper, whatever it is, and just plop down and go to bed. But man, just to wake up and feel like you've been sleeping on cardboard, that's the worst feeling ever. Man, it's crazy. Most of these campers, it looks like they have okay mattresses. You think, you know, this would be fine, no big deal, why I gotta upgrade it? Nah, but literally guys, they are so thin, nothing, no backing, right on wood. Rock hard. These camper mattresses are the worst, but that problem is gone. Now introducing rvmattress.com with Brooklyn bedding. Go ahead and upgrade. You get this mattress shipped to you, rolled up. Pretty crazy how it fits in the box, but they got their equipment to press it all together and get it all compact for you. This thing is definitely heavy. Man, there's a whole lot of mattress in one box. It's just pretty crazy how they get this giant king size mattress into a box rolled up, but wow, when it comes unfold, it is massive. So the comfort of this mattress is out of the world. I mean, sleep quality, I never even knew about. And with a 120 night sleep trial, what are you waiting for? Definitely give it a shot. If you don't like it, return it. This thing's got 5 cooling features, lots of different sizes, comes in soft, medium, firm. Like I said, I'm going for the soft. It actually keeps your skin temperature at a cool 88 degrees, which is pretty crazy and adapted to fit in your RV. So basically by Brooklyn Bedding, they have memory foam, hybrid, dream foam, hybrid, signature foam. I mean, so many different options. I'm learning so much about mattresses that I didn't even know about. Sleeping styles, I mean, if your stomach, back, side. So this is kind of like a chart where you need to figure out. And then different sizes as well. A lot of RVs come so many different RV sizes. I mean, in our camper, we actually have a king size mattress. So it's different than a regular king. I think it's actually a little bigger, or it's weird. But so we went ahead and get ourselves a king mattress. So thank you RV Mattress by Brooklyn Bedding for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you check out rvmattress.com/NicoBrothers to get 20% off your mattress with code NicoBrothers. Now we got a good night's sleep, we could tackle the day. Let's go ahead and check out our campers and see what we bought. First one we got is this 2018 Apex. Winning bid was $3,400, so definitely a steal deal, but it does say destruction title with damage all over. So it's pretty bad. I mean, look kind of bad in pictures. You got a window that's busted, the rear looks okay, doors missing, awnings messed up, inside looks all wrecked. And here it is, guys. Pulled it back from Florida, 600 miles, made it one piece, but let's check out how bad is bad, and was this thing even worth $3,000? I mean, after fees and everything, so you're looking at 4 plus shipping, so close to 5. Are we gonna make our money back? Hopefully make a little bit on top. I still think it's a project. I mean, 2018 is still fairly new. Hopefully there's some worth in it. Let's check it out. Going on to the bad side right here, you can see a little damage already, some rails. I mean, a lot of stuff you could screw back together, but man, what is going on this side? Window is totally busted. Looks like it was taped off at one point, which is good. I don't know, why is the window trim stuck inside the rail? Definitely fixable. Scratches all over. Hey, the door opens and it stays open. That's nice. Not too bad inside. I wouldn't say any water damage, just cosmetic damage all around. Moving right over, the slide out looks like it's okay, but this window rubber seal's messed up. I mean, obviously we could fix that. Hopefully the roof's good. Tires are all dirty, scratched up like crazy. Honestly, I want to put power to it and see what happens. We do have some roof damage right there in the corner, but I'll go on top and make sure it's okay. Moving right along. This side looks good. At least the rear is okay. That is nice, except for this door. I think I've seen this thing inside the picture, so we still probably have that door. Awning's all messed up, but usually that's the first thing to go, your awning. Not the end of the world. Maybe we'll still be able to fix that. This side looks okay. Let's check out the inside. Dang, this is definitely messed up. This thing got wrecked. It looks horrible with this door just right here, but honestly, right away you can see glass shards, wires sticking out, cabinet doors missing, all sorts of damage. Wow, guys, definitely looking rough from the ceiling to the floor. Whew, I don't think we won on this one. It's pretty cool. It's got like the dual swing side, so if you want the basically mirror or a TV, which is neither here, but that's a cool feature. Overall, the bedside looks fine, just a little dirty, I would say, except for that window right there, somebody peeping through, but that looks kind of messed up. Our main controller is here, so we'll be able to actually put power to see what's happening, but you can tell right away the AC unit's gone, and let's see if the slide out even works. So we'll put power to it and see what happens. All right, guys, I got power on this thing. Some lights are turning on. It's always good. Curbside entry. Entry is no lights. Let's see if we get this slide out. We got movement. It actually sounds very healthy. Okay, I'm gonna stop because I probably have stuff in the way, but now I can actually walk around in it. Dang, all my cabinetry's messed up. Top, bottom, all around. What happened? This thing roll over? Well, my LED lights are on. Wow. Pretty bad. Yeah, bathroom door's gonna pinch. Go ahead and move that out of the way. That we could slide it out, and dang. From the refrigerator to the doors to the stove. Damage all around. You know, you don't win them all. This thing is wrecked. Still coming out okay. At least the motors are good. The slide out is just hopefully cosmetically damaged. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, got some stuff on top. Should have checked that too. But hey, it slid out. Definitely a lot more space in here. It's definitely dirty in here, guys, but hey, things are working and they're turning on. I don't even want to touch the stove just yet. Looks like our refrigerator still is powering on. And these things pop out all the time, so I'm not too surprised. Water pump right here, gray, so that's still reading. Battery's good. Okay, I'm not gonna actually do that right now because it's probably disconnected. This shower just came out of place. Wow, it is wrecked. All around. Dang. This is definitely a big project for somebody, either for parts or put it back together. I mean, AC units are off, but at the same time, just close it. Everything's fixable. It just takes a lot of time, a lot of energy. I've actually replaced a burnt one before, so that was completely destroyed, and we got that back together. So this isn't the end of the world, but man, it is a project. Definitely can't win them all. So this one, well, it looked bad in pictures, and it is really bad. Definitely, if I checked it out in person, I probably wouldn't have bought it. But sometimes you just pull the trigger, get it cheap, and you're kind of stuck with it. So we'll see what we do with this one. But let's go ahead and check out our second one. It's actually a toy hauler, and hopefully it's not as bad. Little lights are working. Check that out. So outdoor speakers. There's still some positives, followed by a lot of negatives. Next, we have this 2020 Pioneer bumper pull toy hauler. So it's pretty cool. Definitely an interesting design. We actually paid $6,500, so $7,000 something after fees and everything like that. It's not too bad, I would say. It's worth $24,000. Let's check it out. First thing we see is electric up and down wrench. Is pretty sweet. Came with the tanks and the battery is there. That is nice. Frame looks okay. It did pull back from Florida to South Carolina, so we know that's okay. Overall, the outside looks okay. Got some power jacks. Really nice to have. Not a feature that every camper has. Pretty sweet. Awning looks okay. So it's a 26-footer. Definitely dirty. Sitting out there in the Copart dust. But I went ahead and opened it up. Check it out. So this is where you could actually move these things out of the way and get your forklift, golf cart, four-wheeler, whatever kind of thing inside. So this is your on-ramp slash gate. Table could go over here so you could hang out. So it's actually a lot of space. So it's pretty sweet. It becomes beds slash dining slash garage space. So 3-in-1. It's kind of like a shampoo, body wash, conditioner, and shampoo all together right here. It's definitely a lot cleaner, I would say, than our other one. We paid double the price for it, but it is what it is. It's pretty nice. Already started kind of cleaning up a little bit. Do have a little damage right there in the bottom, I'm noticing. Door's not bad. Entertainment system, so you still have actually latches all the way around it, so you can, you know, strap your things down all the way up to here. So depending what you have, motorcycles and stuff, pretty sweet. Kind of dark right here, guys, sorry, but hey, shower's there. It's not hooked up just now, but no slide outs, but hey, less stuff to go wrong. And in the back over here is your bathroom and master bedroom. Not too bad. Hey, pretty sweet. Let's go ahead and see if we can put power to this one later too. Wash it up, clean it up, and see what it looks like. So here's the top of the camper for the apex. I mean, obviously you can see some damage right there. And we've seen that from the outside. So there's definitely a little bit of damage on the top as well, but not too bad. Probably get that covered up before it rains. We got that covered up as well. Yeah, not horrible, but there is some work to be done. And camera magic, here we go again. A little TLC. Cleaned up this camper. I think it turned out pretty nice. I mean, obviously you still have work. Missing the cushions, couldn't find those, but the table fit on there nicely. But I mean, I remember doing a burnt RV where we built this completely from scratch. So everything's possible. You got some trim work. Overall, the fridge is working. It's actually cold right now. Microwave works. You got your little air duct that's working as well. All this is still here. Yeah, you're missing a drawer, but nothing too crazy. Still workable, still fixable. You got some drawers, like I said, completely burnt to the ground. We rebuilt the camper. So this is still a base, a good start. The slide out works nicely. And I'm happy with that. That's turning out nice. We got that a swivel, fixed that. It actually rotates, it's pretty cool. Got all that figured out. They stole the AC unit, not cool, but no big deal. These panels are cracked, but also replaceable. Done that before. Got a busted window. Honestly, not the end of the world. Just got it taped up for now so it don't get wet because it is raining outside. Bedroom looks fine. You got your entertainment system right here. Pretty sweet. Hey, if somebody looking for, you know, very budget build, budget build, and more of a slowly kind of weekend warrior thing to do, hey, you know, why not? Opportunity for everybody. So we still have our slide out, like I said. I had an option for another one, but we don't have one. Just the one slide out here. Moving on to the restroom. Actually just ended up taking that shower thing out because it looked all messed up anyway. Got that out. Overall cleaned up pretty nicely. Cabinetry, still missing a little bar, but really deep closet right there. We got power on it right now, so gray tank, black and fresh. Everything's empty, but battery's doing good. Pump is working. Hearing that turn on, so pretty nice. Like I mentioned before, refrigerator is running nice and cold and clean. I don't know about my heater. I was gonna hook it up, but somebody stole the propane tanks and even the connector for the propane tanks. And I was like, oh man, that's unfortunate. But overall, green lights. And you know, what do you guys think? Leave some comments down below. Was it even worth it? Is this thing still salvageable, or somebody should just part it away? I personally think it's, you know, needs a lot of love. Trim pieces, things like that. But overall, the shell's there. Definitely workable. So overall view of the Apex, it's still kind of rough shape, I would say. But hey, maybe for somebody, this would be a great project and something they're looking forward to, because like I said, we're not gonna be asking top dollar for it. This thing is definitely on the budget side. And who knows, maybe it'd be a perfect fit for somebody looking for a build like this. And this is the toy hauler over here. Definitely wasn't bad from the beginning, but hey, cleaning it up even better. Very nice little camper, I would say. You got your basics. Looking good. Pretty sweet table over there. And moving on to the bathroom slash master bedroom. Nice little camper. There we go. Fans working, lights are working. Pretty nice. But unfortunately, I noticed right there is actually some water damage, so the roof is leaking a little bit and it went down and you got a soft spot over there, so that sucks. Maybe that's why they salvaged it out, or that's probably just a previous damage. Most campers do leak. I mean, that's just a normal thing. If you don't keep up with them, there's a little tear, you have to reseal them and keep an eye on them, because if not, you're gonna have water damage. And that's what happened down there. So that is unfortunate, because overall it's a really nice camper. So I would say a little bit of hidden damage on our toy hauler. Pretty cool LED lights in the bottom right there. But, you know, not too bad. Looked good in the pictures, and sometimes you do get some hidden damage. But overall, for the Apex, I mean, it looked like something I didn't want to mess with at all. To something that's like, wow, this thing actually has some potential. Before it's like, woo, stay away. But now, hey, it's not too bad. Definitely something worth messing with. But like I said before, this is probably the last two cameras we're going to do for a while, because like I said, it is drying up. These are more damaged than even flooded, so a lot of the flooded campers that came out of Florida, the 300,000 whatever campers, is basically over. That season's done, but overall I'm happy. We picked up, I don't know, like 15, 20 campers, so that was a lot. We didn't even show all of them, you know, just too much to cover kind of thing. But well, you know, if you guys like the camper season, maybe next year it'll be something else, because you never know. Every year, some years is like a bunch of trucks or a lot of cars. It's hard to tell. With Florida, with being the certificate of destruction, it was more camper based, I would say. But yeah, it is what it is. You just gotta ride the wave, whatever it ends up being. But leave some comments down below if you enjoy the camper videos. If not, stay tuned. We do have some more videos coming to you soon. Catch you next time.